Hi everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life. In this video, I share you a short story.
We're here to tell a better story.
And unboxing. What? And the review of my new toy. So please keep on watching after this. So before I do my unboxing, first I show you my very first gear. I use my phone. First, on the beginning, I use my Oppo with a selfie stick to a small tripod. Actually, I use this now for my light, a small light, and to a long selfie stick. And later to a big one. This is the big one. A big step from my phone to a real video camera, the Sony CV1. After a while, my husband also bought me a Pimi Palm. So small. And I have also a gear, I call it a little car, but this is a dolly. I can use this like that with, of course, with a monopod. See this? This is a monopod. But of course, audio is important. My husband bought me from the cheap one to an expensive one. I'm so sorry for this. I like the shotgun and I have the zoom recorder. This is really good one, but for me it's too complicated. And this zoom recorder is not cheap. This is about $150. So I'm so sorry, but I can use this maybe later. But my best one is the Kumika. I can put it one in the camera and here in my chest. This one is so cute with the feather on it. My husband is my biggest supporter and he really wants me to succeed in YouTube. And every now and then, he gives me or he buys me something to improve my videos. I got something that will give a big boost to a quality of my videos. With this equipment, I can make my videos more cinematic. Okay, so that was my short story, and now I do my unboxing. My husband bought me a gimbal, but I was surprised. It is too big, and I am a small lady. How can I get this big gimbal? Okay, we'll see. We do unboxing. What? This is not the gimbal. This is too big. What is this? Ah, this is a light. This is my light. But it's big. Look. And it's even 2 or 3. So 1. It's 3. Number 2. Oh my God. So it's 3 light. Oh my God, you surprised me, darling. Look at the light. So it's 3 lights. Where's my gimbal? This is the stand for the light. And here. It's big one, huh? Ah, there you go. There's my gimbal. This is my gimbal. I was so surprised. My husband arrived with a big box. What? That's a gimbal? too big. How can I carry that one outside? But thank you, baby ko. Thank you, love. Open my gimbal. Yay! Ah, like this. Look at this. With this little box. Ta-da! Oh, so lovely. You can put camera in here. With this tie wrap on my hand here. And the cable charger. And this with the stand. So you can put also in the table where if you are doing vlog in the table. So you know what is this? This is a professional gimbal. So by now I have to do balancing for my camera to this gimbal.
I explain you what is a gimbal. So this is the gimbal that we just bought it. So a gimbal is a pivoting support that allows you to rotate an object along a single axis. It is a tool that uses motors and intelligent sensors to support and stabilize a camera, meaning you can film silky smooth video footage while you're in a move. Balancing is a necessary step, but once you've done that, you'll be able to capture a very dynamic shot with ease. But this is balanced already. My husband did everything for me. So once you balance, you can put your camera on this lock. This is the lock. Every time you finish doing the video, you can take off your camera and you can put this back in here so you will not lose it. So now this is lock and this is the lock button. So I have to open it to unlock. And then now they can move it like this. So this is it. Once you're done putting the camera, there is a red one in here, but if you want to buy the gimbal, you can see all the details in the menu, and you can also watch any videos in YouTube. Okay, look. So it's already balancing, yeah. After you balance everything, you can on the on button of the gimbal here, and you can start shooting. You can see that it's moving because there's a joystick. You can just use the gimbal like this. You can see the moving. So you can use a handheld shot. You can use a lot. That's why they call it also a dynamic shots, like a cinematic shots. A gimbal, on the other hand, are a more recent digital kind of miniature stabilizer. They have their very own little brain here. This is, they call it their little brain. And its sophisticated motion detecting abilities to essentially differentiate between the videographer's intentional movements and unwanted shake. Gimbals are newer phenomenon and technically only feasible because of the small natures of GoPro, iPhones, drone camera, and DSLRs. They are more technically advanced and mechanical stabilizers, but professional film studios use camera equipment. It is towards for electronic motors. We're here to tell a better story. And thanks for watching. Please click here on my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in here. Thank you.